friends, Honey and Sunny. Today, we went to a nearby jungle. We came across many wild animals. Honey and Bunny are very curious about the wild animals, so we explored all the animals in the jungle. Let's know how well you know about the wild animals in the jungle. Which big cat is known as King of the Jungle and roars loudly in jungle?